Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Short intro, can I do a short intro? I'm not so sure, you know me now, maybe not. Sometimes, I'm thinking about the ones of you who are discovering my channel with one particular video and I'm like, really? The first impression that they have about me? Okay, I have my introduction, that clip at the beginning of my video, but after that, the first thing that they're seeing about me, it's that, and sometimes at the beginning of the videos, I'm tired or I'm thinking about something else or I'm having just fun with myself. And I choose to keep that during the editing because I think that it's fun also to show you when I'm not talking about shows. And sometimes I'm like, these new guys, they could be like, what? That girl, she's doing what? She do what exactly? I'm sorry. I did not say hi, right? Hello! Hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Attack on Titan Season 1, Episode 20 already. It feels like I'm progressing a lot into this show, but at the same time, 4 seasons I have to catch up on. That's a lot. And I'm not gonna be right on time for the last season, which is gonna be out soon for you guys. Right now, I know that I'm not gonna be on time, but it's okay. I don't want to rush things just to be on time, and no matter what, I don't have the time, to watch all of these episodes. I don't have the place also to stock all of the videos that I would have because of that. And I don't have also the time to edit all of that and to give you all of these videos. On my schedules right now, you already have Attack on Titan, Death Note, The Legend of Korra. You add Arcane, you add also The Wheel of Time. You're gonna have The Expanse, La Casa de Papel, The Witcher. I'm forgetting one. I know that I'm reacting to 9 shows right now. I can't remember. See, I'm reacting to so many shows that I can't even remember myself. It's a lot and I don't want, some of you guys to have to wait. And I want to please all of you guys, who are following me for all of these different shows. And that's why sometimes I'm trying new things just like that, because I don't want to just binge watch old shows. So no, I can't catch up on Attack on Titan. I don't want to do it like that. I don't want to rush it. I want to really enjoy it. I want to take my time to think about it also between episodes, between the sessions of binge watching. Each time I'm watching like 4 or 5 episodes at a time. So I want to have that time to really enjoy it. I said short intro! I need to make a short intro because the lights are really going down and it's really beginning also to be cloudy at the same time. So if we want to see each other at the end of this video, I need to make a short intro to have the time, in review to talk with you, really. About the last episode, we captured that female titan. It's great. We need to take that human out and to control her in a way, to block her. And like that. And we need to know who she is. My theory for now, someone who knows and cares about Armin. Maybe his mother, who is supposed to be dead. Maybe someone else. How did she have this information about Eren being able to transform? How she had this information about the mission that they were organizing right there? Congratulations, Erwin, with that trap that you made. The fact that you said that your mission was that, but in fact your mission was to trap that clever titan, because you know that these people would send a clever titan to stop the mission that you said that you would do. Yes, that was brilliant, Erwin. Clearly. A lot of people died because of that. It's really rough when you think about it, and that's why also I love so much the fact that Levi is not congratulating Erwin, when it's happening when they are succeeding, but he's really thinking about his soldiers. I love that aspect of his character, the fact that he cares about his soldiers, truly. Yes, that was cool. All of this plan, you have the female Titan, yes, we need to know who she is, yes, we need to know what she knows also. You know my theory, people are making the Titans, the clever ones and the stupid ones, using actual humans, dead or alive. The clever Titans, they have a mission. Why they are doing that, I have a theory, but I don't really believe into it. Like, for me it could be maybe a political, demographic solution, answer, but I'm not really fond of that theory. Like, I really can't imagine that people would do that. Create monsters to kill humans just to be sure that no one is gonna go out of your city, and after all that, when you're too many inside, to kill the people who are right there because you have to kill some of them. Like, I don't want to think that I'm right. I had some tears during the episode 17 when they made me think that Reynard died, but in fact no, but in fact yes, but in fact no. I didn't handle well the roller coaster of emotions. And during the last episode, when you made me think that the soldiers didn't believe into Eren, and in fact they felt ashamed of their reactions, and they said that they want to believe into him and he wants to believe into them, and they're all gonna join their hands to do that mission together and to save them all. Oh, I'm a soft heart. Don't blame me, you know, when I have these quick tears like that. They can have me really easily because I'm an emotional person, so with that kind of way to do things, and by using also each time this music that are really guiding my emotions, and I'm fully into it. Short intro! Okay, I'm gonna stop this intro right now. Like usually, if you want to have my Patreon on which you can have the episodes earlier, we have 2 episodes of advance for Attack on Titan, and we've extended our 4 action part, and also longer screen, and also no playing with opacity and stuff. And it's the best way to support me, because right now on YouTube you can subscribe, like, comment, it's always appreciated, and of course it's helping me. But with this anime, I told you, I'm fighting a lot for these videos, not for having the tips of it. I gave up on that. That's more, but I gave up on it. But I'm just fighting a lot for you to be able to see the videos. Just for that. Yes, the best way to support me, it's on Patreon. If you can't join me on Patreon, do the things on YouTube. It's always appreciated. Let's go for this episode 20. We're close to the end of this season. We're close to someone dying. And also to have some big reveals and information. I think. I wish. I don't know. Are you tired of me? Just know that sometimes I'm tired of myself. Erwin? An episode only about you, my dear? Tell us, what do you know? Come on, you saw it running. Go hide yourself. It's into that position. You hurt the trees. It was something prepared without you knowing it. Krista? No? Really? Little kittens trying to reach you? Clever job! More than Armin? He guessed it before Armin. Eh? Only the ones he trusts. People sent that Titan. That Titan knew about your mission. People he knew before the first Clever Titans. People that he knows for sure are not Clever Titans. This spy or other people that this spy informed. Yeah. Okay, for now you're confirming my theories. Ready? Yes, you're trying to be arrogant like him. No. It's hard to confess it, but no. No, Jan. Yes. It's rough. It's painful. Like other hundreds of soldiers died before Eren intervening, you know, before beginning to have hope to maybe understand things better. I'm not sure I can do it. I know they are not asking me to do it, but you know, if I would be into their positions. You're living your dream. Oh, it transformed in metal? Her hands are like metal? I'm not afraid of you killing the human inside. I'm afraid of you destroying these hands, but also destroying all of what is blocking it, you know? Levi! You do? She's actually listening to you. She reacted with what you said. You didn't want to say something? Did you try to call someone? Not that much. Think. She called them. She called them. You shouldn't have talked to her. Levi! He couldn't know. I know that he couldn't know. He didn't talk with Armin. Come on, Sasha. So that's where you're gonna go. Perfect. Totally. They are not abnormal ones. Don't make me lost. I'm worried. What a killer. to defend it? They want to eat it? You want them to eat you? Like they killed Eren the first time? You're not gonna die inside. Eren didn't die inside. If they killed her, they are killing the body, they are not killing the thing. Like, check now. You have something in mind. And yes, I was gonna say it, as they all trust Levi, Levi trusts Erwin. They really hate that thing. If I'm right about the fact that this female titan, it was Armin's mother, she really died now. Yes, do it! I love it. You're really into the Recon Corps now? That's what he said, no? Levi. They did? A direction. Are we sure of that? We didn't see the face of that person. It was not Levi. It's not Levi. Is it the spy? Ah, I'm right! It's her right there. I didn't think of it. It's a trap! Eren! You didn't see the light that fake Levi sent? You know what I want to say. I knew it! They made me doubt. Like, I had the impression to be wrong about that. Like, yes, they already did that, the Titans, in the past. The Titans already did that, targeting Eren to kill him. They did that in Trust during the battle, but they did it also before that. You know, when he was defending Mikasa and all, like, they targeted him. That's why they were following her. Because they were targeting her to kill her. That's why she's screaming for them to come to kill her. But like I said, when Eren died, eaten by these Titans, he didn't die inside. The Titan that he created around him died, but not him. I knew that she would still be there, but what I don't understand at all, it's how she escaped from that situation. Like, all of these Titans eating the female Titan, you didn't keep an eye on her spine during that moment, like it was too difficult to keep an eye on it. You didn't see a human suddenly coming out of it. Or maybe it was during the time that you were attacking, you were trying to stop these Titans and it happened at the same time. She was out of it during that moment and she managed to escape during that moment. She took the uniform after that or before that? I was right also with my theory. You know, I said about that female Titan when we discovered her during the first episode that we discovered her, I said, how can she be there? It means that she knows about the mission, she knows about Eren, and she managed to cross the wall at the same time, you know, that the Recon Corps did it. So maybe she is a part of the Recon Corps. I think that it's that. The spy, it's her. It's the female Titan. It's someone that we know. I can't remember, you know, all of the characters, with all of the characters that we have into the show. I can't remember who is missing during the time that we are seeing her on screen. When she is on screen, when the female Titan is on screen, who didn't we see? Sasha, Krista, Mikasa, Petra. Zoe, I mean, I'm just naming the girls because I think that it's a girl at the origin of it. Someone who cares about Armin. Maybe it's not someone we know, but it's someone that Armin knows. She had the uniform before transforming herself. That's why she crossed the wall. That's why she had information about the mission, about Eren. I think that she's more around the age of Erwin, you know, that group, you know. Or maybe not, because if it would be the case, he would have trusted her and he would have told her about that real plan that he had. So maybe more around Levi age. I'm thinking, shut up. I'm talking to you, but also to the voice into my head who are trying to talk, all of them, to tell me so many different theories at the same time. Shut up, I need to pick the good ones. For this girl, I'm pretty sure that it's a girl, you know, who created this female Titan. Someone who is into the Recon Corps. Someone that maybe we don't know yet. We don't know her yet, the viewers, but she knows Armin. Am I gonna give up on my theory of the fact that it's his mother? No. No, I'm not gonna give up on that theory. The sister? No. She called the Titans to kill her. They were following her because they wanted to kill her, like they wanted to kill Eren. So it means that the Titans, the primitive ones, are never gonna protect the clever Titans. They're always gonna follow them to actually kill them. You knew it. And when they stopped you, they blocked you, you had the instinct to do that. How can you be so aware of yourself when you're a Titan? Clearly you trained a lot to do all of that. To be aware of who she is during that moment, of what she's supposed to do, the time that she has, all of the energy that she has. Everything is planned, is made on purpose. It's not, you know, like Eren who is discovering his power. You trained a lot with that power. It's insane. And really to take that decision during that moment, saying I'm gonna sacrifice myself, I'm gonna call the Titans. Eren for now, he can transform himself if he has a purpose. And his purpose is guiding everything. Like when he had this purpose about blocking, you know, the all, when it was done and the Titan was over. Right there, she can't do her mission of targeting Eren, and she managed to think, to listen to Levi and to think about the fact that she has to kill herself. I mean, she can have more than one purpose in a way. It's terrifying me how well she is trained as a Titan, as a clever Titan. Right there, you acted like you were Levi because your mission is still to catch Eren. I really think that it's to catch him, not to kill him. They both it. You did well. All of you, you didn't see it. Oh, all of you, you didn't see the fake... No. Can you see me? It's really dark. I'm sorry, yellow lights to on, but it's better, you know, I think, than no lights. She wants to catch you, not to kill you. It's a she, I'm pretty sure of it. I don't know why I'm feeling it. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm totally wrong, but for now I'm feeling it like that. They didn't see it. Okay. Or maybe they saw it, but we're gonna know it only during the beginning of the next episode. You sent the orders of retreating, but at the same time you said to Levi to take more of your power. Think about it more. You told to all of your soldiers to retreat, but not to Levi and his men. You know that this woman is gonna continue to be after Eren, is wearing a uniform. Okay, you're gonna go to defend Eren. Okay. He knows it, Erwin. What she's gonna do. What she just did, he knows it. Sending the message, you know, like retreat, it was to send the message to this girl. If you want to do it, if you want to catch Eren, it's now. See, we are retweeting. We just said, oh, we're not gonna have the female Titan. We have to come back home. Like, he's sending the message to that person that she won, that they gave up on catching her. But you, Erwin, you understood what she wanted to do because you said to Levi to take more power. You're gonna go after her, you know what she wants and what she's gonna do. I'm saying okay like that, like I understand now, Erwin, why did you say that to Levi? How you're thinking also fast, you're thinking about all of that really fast. Again, experiences. Levi, he said it. The difference between you and I, it's experiences. Levi, he believes into Erwin as much as Petra and all of the other ones believe into him, into Levi. They believe into each other like that much. It's so cool. You know, again, if you don't know me, you can't know it, but if you know me, you know that one of the qualities that I love the most in shows, but also into real life, it's loyalty. And for me, it's such a proof of your loyalty to trust Erwin that much. Like, he's saying you that, you don't understand why, but you're doing it. I can see up now. Now that I understood that Erwin understood what that woman wanted to do. And Eren, you understood during this episode that we have a spy inside. You know, that we have one spy or more, that people inside are working or a part of this group who is doing all of that. Like, for now, you know, what they said during this episode about this potential spy, about the fact that Erwin didn't say everything to everyone, the fact that he had a second plan, the fact that he wanted people to think that the first plan was the real one, to catch that female Titan, which means that she had this information, which is proving stuff, you know. All of what they said during this episode is going with my theories for now. You know, for the Titans, how they are created, this group, this organization, all of that. That was a good day for me. 4 episodes like that of Attack on Titan, that was so cool. I loved it because it was some informations, some big reveals, like I discovered the female Titan today for me. So a big reveal, a lot of actions, a lot of surprise, and at the end some of my theories which are working, and I created new series about that female Titan and all. A good day. Clearly, a really good day for me. Okay, I'm gonna stop this review right now, so it's all for you and for me for today, so it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Rain